Have you ever thought about trading without money? It's an intriguing concept, right? Welcome to the world of bartering, a system where individuals directly swap items or services they have for things they need. Let's dive into how you can engage in a barter economy for financial benefits. Our first step is to identify your skills and assets. Think about what you possess that could be valuable to others. This could be anything from a green thumb in the garden to being a whiz at whipping up delicious meals, or even having a knack for fixing computers. Next, you'll want to connect with a bartering community. These can be local groups, online platforms, or even community events where people come together to exchange goods and services. With the power of the internet and social media, finding these communities has never been easier. Once you're plugged into your new community, it's time to define your needs. What is it that you're looking for? Maybe it's a service, a specific item, or even assistance with a task. Once you know what you want, it's time to make it known. The fourth step is to offer your skills or goods. Reach out to individuals who might have what you need and propose a trade. It's important to communicate clearly what you can offer in exchange for their goods or services. Now, this is where things get interesting. You'll need to negotiate fair trades. Make sure both parties agree on the value of the items or services being exchanged. Remember, bartering is about creating win-win situations, so negotiate in good faith. Finally, document your agreements. When you've agreed on a trade, it's wise to put the terms in writing. This can include details about what's being exchanged, the timeline, and any other relevant information. Bartering can be a fantastic way to save money, utilize your skills and resources, build community, and even have a positive environmental impact. It's flexible, informal, and a refreshing change from traditional economic activities. So why not give bartering a go? It's a fun, creative, and effective way to trade that can be a valuable supplement to your financial activities. And who knows, you might discover a whole new way of trading that you love. Before you go, remember to come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and happy bartering!